Hello guys, today I want to show you something different. An Ember vacuum cleaner, portable vacuum cleaner that is also with battery and can be charged and take it away. Let me open up to see. Here is the motor with the turbine. You can see here. You can see those batteries. Let me see it nearly. So guys, this is a circuit. It have this 10 here. I don't know what it means, but it's a battery. It looks like dynamite or fireworks, but in fact is a battery, a series battery, because here is one battery and here is the second battery. And this is the circuit. It's just charged with this charger. 220 volt, 50 hertz, 3 VA, 6 volts output in secondary, 120 milliamps, 0.72 VA. And you can see it's made in China. It's old, but it's nice. This is the type of charger. It's wall mounted charger. Let me tell you, is a resistor here that show the light indication that is charging, is being charged. This is the limit, current limit, like a fuse resistor that goes directly in those batteries, so they can be high power. And let's say it needs 2 hours to charge with this. So basically it's a strong battery, but old, but it doesn't seem to be corroded or something else. So the motor is very huge. This is my hand and this is the motor. It's heavy and it's connected like this directly in the battery, but with the switch. Let's switch on the power. And it shows Johnson, and it have those numbers here for those who knows about type motors.